another fun food Friday. Today we are making 3-ingredient cookies. What? 3 ingredients, and all we're using is cake mix, oil, and eggs. And we are going to show you how to change up the egg and the oil in the cake mix to make cookies instead of cake. And you can add in any mix-ins you want. So today with the yellow cake, we're going to be mixing in some sprinkles. The chocolate would be so good with peanut butter chips or butterscotch, but we do not have any, so we're going to go with plain chocolate today. But you can also do strawberry cake mix, lemon cake mix. Any cake mix would work for this recipe. And you can mix in whatever you want. So M&Ms, other candy bits, different sprinkles, white chocolate chips. The possibilities are endless. You can make these festive for any occasion or birthday party. So we hope that you come along with us. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It's just me and Nora today. She's my sprinkle helper. Can you tell? So all you need is a bowl, some parchment paper, a cookie scoop, and then we lined we're gonna do double the batch. So we're doing chocolate and yellow, and we just lined it with parchment paper. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350, and all of the ingredients and the recipe, everything will be in the description box below. We hope you love this recipe, and we will see you soon. Bye. Okay, so now we are going to stir in, not beat in, the sprinkles. So I would say, okay, I would say about a half a cup. Go ahead and pour those in, Nora. Good job. All right, we really did it with these festive sprinkles. Now we're just gonna mix them in.
Okay. I can mix it.
You want to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
After you mixed it. It looks like ice cream.
Mm-hmm. So this is not even a half a cup, and it is plenty of sprinkles.
And also
if you're doing M&Ms or chocolate chips, you can do up to a cup.
All chocolate chips.
Mm-hmm. And you'll notice now that, again, it's much firmer. It's like a cookie dough, not a cake batter. So don't
cookie dough is actually a good idea.
These are going to come out pretty pink with all the sprinkles.
Yeah, pink in 1 of days.
Hey, we are going to cover this with saran wrap. Oh, hello, Nora. And we are going to put it in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes and let it firm up even more before we scoop them.
First one, we're going to have to open it. All done.
the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Just keep your eye on them. You do not want them to brown. You want them to be cake-like. Okay, we're gonna show you the finished cookies. I have eaten a few only, and here they are. Hold it up so you can see the consistency, and then we will just take a piece. You can see the inside and the bottom. They are so good. This one got a little too brown. But we hope that you love them. It's super easy ingredients, only 3 ingredients, and you can have that Play-Doh. And you can have the kids help you mix and put on the pan. It's super easy and it's a super fun thing to do over summer. Comment below if you like them, if you try them, what kind of mix-ins you're gonna add, and we can't wait for you to try them. See you soon.
Bye.
Say it again.
Bye.
Bye everyone.